everybody, and welcome to OANDA Forex Market Outlook for the week commencing the 24th of November. My name is Tamar Mehr, and I'm going to share with you the opportunities that I'm stocking this week. Now, before we head on to the chart, I want to tell you about the next webinar that we have for you this week, and that is on risk management. Now, the one thing that all good traders have in common is that they incorporate a good risk and money management in their trading plan. So in this webinar, we're going to look at common sources of trading risk, what are the symptoms, and how should we look at risk? How can we reduce risk, mitigate risk, or even transfer risk? It would be great if you can join us on this webinar. Now on to the charts, and first up I've got EuroCAD, and let's take a look. We had this very strong level of support and resistance right here at the 1.4. This level has been tested many times in the past. We can see that the market every time came down to this level, bounced and came down and bounced and came down and bounced. There are more touches right here and right here, and if I go back in time a bit more, we can see that there has been more touches around this area. Finally, last Friday the market has broke down through this level, big red candle right over here, smashed through this level. So what I'm looking for at this point in time is a pullback into this level. At this time the market on the daily will also be closer to its moving averages, so release a little bit of that selling pressure, and I'll be looking for sign that the market has been turning back into bearish and continuing the downtrend. So basically I'll be looking for sign that tells me that this pullback is over. So what I'll do, I'll go down the time frame to the 4 hours, to the 8 hours, to the 2 hours, and I'll be looking for trading opportunities around this area. So this is my plan for EuroCAD. Another market that I'm stocking, and again with the weakness of the European currency, is Euro Aussie, and what we've got here is this level of 1.42. Now in this pair the market did not break through this level. We can see we had touches here, touches here, touches over here, and then another touches somewhere around here. If we scroll back a bit more, we can see that the market has spent more time around this level around here too. So what I'm looking for in this pair is to see the market reaction to this level. What we can spot also on this pair is a top level of this range over here at 1.46. Every time the market came close, it fell down, came close, fell down, came close, fell down, and once more again around here. So we have this bound between the 146 and the 142. So I'm stalking this pair to see if the market can now break down through this level. I'm more bearish than bullish on this pair because of the weakening in the European currencies, but I am waiting to see a confirmation of the break before I trade this pair to the downside. Another market that I'm looking at is dollar sing. Now dollar sing has been in a very nice uptrend for a few good months now, and right here we have pulled back into the buy zone. This is the daily chart. We have a nice bullish candle right here in the buy zone, just touching the 1.3, and now we've got a break above this candle. So my plan for this pair is to go down the time frame, say for the 15 minutes for example, and look for trading opportunities as the market pull back into the buy zone around here. So if 15 minutes will be my trigger chart, I'll be looking into the 30 minutes as the confirmation chart, and what I can spot is that the confirmation chart is still overextended from its moving averages, so I'll be looking for a pullback as the market catch up with its averages, and a bullish candle right here in the buy zone, which is the area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages, and then look for a continuation of this uptrend. Now let's take a look at the weekly and see where we can run this through, where is the next level of support and resistance. And what we can spot is that we do have a level around here around the 1.31. So I will be looking to cover my risk before we get into this level. So if you're interested in learning more about risk management, then please join us on this week webinar. Hope you have a fantastic trading week, and I look forward to speak with you soon. Bye for now.